Hi, I am Deborah R. Richardson, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is an IRS announcement about the automatic 30-day extension, and that is to file with the IRS. You get automatic 30 days filling out Form 8809. But what is now required when you do that in the fire system? And that is now you need a TCC or transmitter control code. Now, this email came out, I think it came to me on the 24th, which was about 5 days ago. But it says to protect IRS systems, a transmitter control code or TCC is now required to use the fire system automatic 30-day fill-in extension of time. They also give in the email a link to publication 5911, which is the IR application for TCC tutorial located on the fire page. And I'll put both of those links in the show notes. What I did want to let you know is that if you want your alerts or IRS alerts in your inbox, I'm also going to put a link to the IRS subscription page where you can subscribe to the quick alerts. And so look for that as well. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 115 annual hours of processing or vendor process training, which that's a lot of hours and I'm always adding to it, please go to my vendor process training center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified next time for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.